The Tube, where you been at, man? We back. I bet I had a busy week, but I got some content for y'all. So today's my homie day, which you gonna see, but pretty much all the homies gather up with their cars or not. Homies gather up, we have a blast, we turned up, we chief, you know what I'm saying? But this time, I'm inviting other people who have cool cars. It's usually like a private for the homie things only. So I figured this time if you get an invite, it's because you got some fly, you know what I'm saying? You got something cool. So I've been too busy chopping up all week. Got the yard kind of ready. So I'm about to just soak all the dirt one more time before everybody starts coming. I'm gonna shower up, we gonna get out here. So it's about 10 o'clock. Parking is from 12 to 2. So let's get to it, man. It's gonna be a good day. You gotta soak it because it's gonna dry up. And I don't want everybody's cars getting super dusty when they pull in, so I'm gonna try to minimize it just a little bit. Haven't even parked the whips. So I gotta move the trucks, park the cars. Gonna try to park everybody kind of categorized by cars, so see how it goes. The little setup, we got a couple tables up. One table here, a couple tables over there, a couple over there. The food's gonna be right here. It's like 2 or 3 Foxbodies coming, so they could park next to me. I'm gonna back up my cat right here. And I feel like the cat, another cat, another cat, another cat. We could probably fit 4 to 6 cars right here in this whole area. And then all the rest of the cars will be parked pretty much from like here on that way. I would say a good 10, 15 cars on this side. 10, 15 cars only because I'm gonna be closing that off over there. So we can just put everybody in a corner. So I'm gonna shower up. I think these are gonna park right there. Park a couple single cabs on that side. I know I got a couple F-150s coming. A couple LS boys come in. Gonna try to prioritize. This is like prioritized parking for all the like super cool stuff, whether it's dope builds or just expensive. But obviously it's first come, first serve. We'll see who comes first. But I figure everybody's gonna fill up this whole area on this side of the trees. And then the parking's gonna have to just extend this way. So I figure we could put a couple people right there. Boom, boom, maybe like 2 cars or more, we'll see. The 2 Foxbodies are coming and it still leaves a passage for everybody to go around the shed and then park right here. So we'll probably do it. Let's see, another Fox, draw the line right here. So it'd be like 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 4 car, but everybody will come around this way. So see how it turns out, man. I wish I would have done some of the previous ones I've had, but we'll see how this one turns out. First YouTube homie day vlog. Check out the Fox though, clean, huh? Looking good. I haven't got to it, man. It's been so busy, but I got all the trans bolts I bought brand new. Everything's new in here. Got the, I think, what is that, the fork over there? A little bit of wear on the driver's seat. Damn near no wear on the passenger seat except that. Headliner's beautiful. Just a beautiful car. Should have put the top down for the day, but oh well. It's gonna be cool though. Free food. Free smoke. Cool people. Should be dope. Still gotta get my girl's car washed. Part of my dad's bike too. Let's go in there and shower. Let's get ready because people are gonna start coming soon. Bro got the single cab. We're gonna put Luis's right here. Oh, Mito's about to back his up. My daughter. So we got Leo coming with his G8. So I figured let's just get the G8 parking out the way. Put these guys over here. We back outside. It begun. It's like 12:30. There's a couple cars here already. The food just got here. Let's take a little walk around what's here yet before the turn up. A little marrow on the tire. I like the setup. He got here right before he came too. You got Leo's little duo. You know it's fire. G8 SS, G8 C5. The Ford just pulled up. Clean, simple trucks, but so dope. My boy Gordo got the fire one right here though. Sheesh. There's a gap right here because this is where I want my homie Luis to go. And I'm put the homie KB right here on the paisa shit. Huh?
Post this on YouTube.
Post what on YouTube, little batch? You gonna roll it though, or you just came to show it off? You gonna roll it, or you just came to show it off?
Yeah, we'll fucking roll.
All right then. Let me smack that Lee. Good looking. Mopars are gonna go right here. Trucks. Got a little Forester. The Stangs. We still have more to pull up right here, so we're just gonna wait. See how it keeps turning out. It literally just started 30-40 minutes ago, so can't forget the Porsche. The whole fam! Oh, talk about a family car, man. What's up, B? What a beauty, man. Hell yeah, love it. Damn. Tripping. Right there. Right there. This shit damn near over, but this is the best part. Everybody's leaving, so. Launch it! Yep! You're good, you're good. You're good. Solid. Right there. Hi. Woo! I'm I'm gonna screenshot that and take a picture because that shit looks sick. Alright then. Handle it, handle it, handle it. This is stick shit right here though. This is hard. Yeah. Let us hear it, man. Still spinning. God, all right, Pops, appreciate you, man. Sheesh. Hey! A 35 miles per hour high-speed chase. It's crazy. What's up with these fools? Look at these fools. These are all cops. One car going 35. Top of the top. I've been up since like 7, keep it real. It's about 11 now. Tired, but homie Chan just called me. About to make some OJ. Homie Chan just called me and said, "What's up? You waked and baked without me yet? Just woke up?" I'm like, "Man, I've been up, but I ain't wake and baked yet." He said, "I'm on the way with some oysters." Bet. I'm sorry, man. I didn't get so much footage for you guys yesterday. Was it a good turnout? Hell yeah. Did I get a lot of footage? Hell no. Being a host or a hostess, whatever it is, ain't easy, man. The whole time I wanted to chill with some homies, but everybody is just literally from like 11:30. There's like 2-3 cars pulled up, 4 or 5. But by 12:30, within 1 hour, it was going crazy. I couldn't stop. I was getting my little chief on around 11:30. And I just feel like the last one I enjoyed was like around 12. And I looked at the clock again, it was like 3, almost 4 something. Told the homie, "Go roll me something up." I ain't really got to chill. And around that time is when I started kind of calming down again. But when everybody was pulling up, trying to park everybody accordingly, it was hard, man. What the homies and shit sent me yesterday. And I try to put the best video together for you guys. But just keep in mind, it was hard too yesterday, for real. The homie Ricky just got here. Ricky! Kyle! So we're about to eat some oysters, man. First, I'm gonna sip my OJ a little bleezy, you know what I'm saying? One thing I did realize last night and this morning, thinking about it again, is next time it's gonna be even more private. Because honestly, there was some couple people where I'm like, "Man, that's the Instagram dog right there." I'm gonna sip with some with him today. Or I'm Blaze over there, and I'm gonna drink over here. I didn't even get that faded till like 11 o'clock, bro. Cause I just couldn't stand still. Some of the homies had like a smoke party roll off. Everybody was rolling blunts. Who could roll more, faster, fatter? Not only was I not there, I didn't even get to enjoy those blunts that got rolled. So next time, it'll definitely be smaller or turned up. And I'll get a little boy or something. And it'll be a movie. The Sunday vibes go on.